Hello everyone, today in this video you are going to learn what is an algebra and what is an algebraic expression. So, what should we add in 3 to get 7? Yes, you are right, that is 4. Well, in algebra, we don't use empty circle, we use a letter. It is easier to write x than the empty circle. This letter is called a variable. It doesn't have to be x, it could be y, z or any letter or a symbol you like. So, algebraic expression is the collection of variables, constants and operators. Here we have an example 2x plus 5 in which x is variable, 2 is a coefficient, any number which is besides variable is coefficient, 5 is a constant and plus is an operator. That's why it makes an expression. Here we have few more examples. Now let's see how algebraic expression can be used in real world. So the first is sports and games. You often keep track of scores or points. So by this example, if a player scores 10 points per game, so the total points will become 10 multiplied by games. Second is saving money. If you save a certain amount of money each week, you can use algebraic expressions to figure out how much you will have saved after a certain number of weeks. So by this example, we will multiply $50 by weeks. So the third is budgeting and shopping. Imagine if you have a budget for a party, you might want to buy snacks and drinks, and each snack and drink costs a different amount. So for this example, snack costs $10 and drink costs $15. So total cost will be 10n plus 15m. Thanks for watching.